Let's discuss an important topic today. Fundamentals of cosine similarity. This algorithm plays a very important role in e-commerce business today. Cosine similarity measures similarity of two vectors. Using simple cosine value, learn the magic of text similarity analysis grouped as synonyms, unrelated words or antonyms. Cosine similarity is important because it works well in high-dimensional space like text embeddings. It focuses on direction of similarity and is easy to calculate on huge data. Today e-commerce uses it for product recommendations, customer profiling, search ranking, personalized emails and dynamic group building. Use this simple Python code to understand how to evaluate the output of cosine similarity algorithm on two types of text and later use it in e-commerce projects. Apps and GPTs developed using cosine similarity notions are RAG, embeddings APIs, Spotify recommendation engine, chatbots, personalized landing pages. Check the list of latest toolkits using the same. Recommendations for better algorithms as per use include semantic embeddings, hybrid similarity, graph-based methods, approximate nearest neighbors search and learning to rank models. Cosine similarity and other similar algorithms can be used for same task on small to medium dataset for high-value personalization, etc. However, consider performing A/B testing to argue for the best metric as per use case.